A healthy thermostat base sits flat, clean, and tight against the wall with solid, shiny contacts and no visible cracking. A good base will have straight and untarnished metal contacts that spring back when depressed, indicating reliable electrical connection. Check that the plastic around the mounting plate is free of hairline cracks, discoloration from heat, or melting, which point to overheating or degradation. When removing the thermostat, note whether wiring anchors are snug and the screws bite cleanly into the terminals rather than spinning or stripping, which suggests worn threads. Use a small continuity tester or a multimeter set to a low ohms range to confirm that each contact reliably connects when the thermostat is engaged, and record readings so you can compare after any repair. Clean light corrosion with a fiberglass pencil or a cotton swab dampened with isopropyl alcohol, and avoid abrasive scraping that could change contact geometry. If you notice warmth, soot, or a burnt odor when the system operates, power down the circuit and inspect for arcing marks, which mean replace the base immediately. Common issues include bent or flattened contacts that cause intermittent operation. Gently reshape them with a non-conductive tool and replace the base if the metal fatigues or cracks. Cracked or discolored plastic often hides heat damage and can allow movement that breaks connections. Swapping the entire base is the safest fix. Loose terminal screws or stripped mounting points create poor wire retention and erratic performance. Remedy this by replacing screws with slightly larger matched threads or using a new base to restore solid mechanical retention. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project listings that help match jobs and skills to needs, making it easier for people with thermostat base issues to find help. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange tips, troubleshooting steps, and vendor recommendations so our members can learn from real experiences.